Welcome to our channel. If you want to upgrade your individual Nintendo Switch Online subscription to a family membership to share benefits with up to 8 accounts, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Understand that a family membership allows up to 8 Nintendo account users to enjoy Nintendo Switch Online benefits, making it cost-effective for households with multiple users. Step 2. Turn on your Nintendo Switch console and make sure you are connected to the internet. Step 3. From the home screen, select your user profile icon in the top left corner to access your profile and subscription settings. Step 4. Select Nintendo Switch Online from your profile menu to view your current subscription details. Step 5. Look for the option to change membership type or upgrade to family membership. This option allows you to switch from an individual plan to a family plan. Step 6. Select Family Membership and choose whether you want the standard Nintendo Switch Online Family Plan or the Family Membership with Expansion Pack for additional content. Step 7. Review the pricing and features. The system will calculate any credit from your remaining individual membership time toward the family membership cost. Step 8. Confirm your payment method and complete the upgrade purchase. After upgrading, go to the Nintendo Switch Online app or website to invite family members by sending them invitation codes. Each invitee must have their own Nintendo account. Your family membership will be active immediately, and all added members can enjoy online play, cloud saves, and member benefits. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.